Hello everyone, welcome you all on this online study platform of Divine Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine and doing the maths practice at home. Today we will learn Unit 9, that is measurement of length.
Dear students, in the previous class you have already learnt about measurement of length. So now let us learn more about measurement of length. The standard or base unit of length is meter, denoted by m. The higher units are kilometer, hectometer and decameter. The lower units are decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Thus, we have the chart as shown below. Now let us learn more about this. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter and 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. Whereas in the lower units, 1 decimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 meter, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter and 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter. Now dear students, let us learn conversion of higher units into lower units. So let us learn and see the examples. Example 1. Convert 6 kilometer into meter. Now let us see the solution. We know very well that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore, 6 kilometer is equal to 6 multiplied by 1000 meter, that is 6000 meter. Therefore, 6 kilometer is equal to 6000 meter. Let us see the example 2. Convert 4 kilometer 415 meter into meter. Let us see the solution. We know very well that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore, 4 kilometer 415 meter is equal to 4 kilometer plus 415 meter. Now we will convert 4 kilometer into meter. Therefore, 4 into 1000 meter plus 415 meter. When we will add 4000 meter plus 400 meter, that will be 4415 meter. Now dear students, let us learn the next topic. Conversion of lower units into higher units. Let us learn this with the help of example. Convert 6 millimeter into centimeter. Let us see the solution. We know very well that 1 millimeter is equal to 1 divided by 10 centimeter. Therefore, 6 millimeter is equal to 6 divided by 10 centimeter. And when we will divide 6 by 10, then we will get 0.6 centimeter. Therefore, 6 millimeter is equal to 0.6 centimeter. Let us see one more example. Convert 9 meter 60 centimeter into meter. Let us see the solution. Firstly, we will write separately 9 meter plus 60 centimeter. Then we will convert 60 centimeter into meter. That we will write 9 meter plus 60 divided by 100 meter. And finally, we will divide 60 by 100 and we will write 9 meter plus 0.6 meter. And hence we will get the answer 9.6 meter. Therefore, 9 meter 60 centimeter is equal to 9.6 meter. Let us see the next topic, addition of length in measurement. Dear friends, let us see the addition of length in measurements with the help of example. Add 45.6 centimeter and 22.4 centimeter. Let us see the solution. Firstly, we have to arrange all the numbers in column as you can see here, and we will do the simple addition as we have done like in the decimal. So after adding all the numbers, we will get 68.0 centimeter. Therefore 45.6 centimeter plus 22.4 centimeter is equal to 68.0 centimeter. Now dear students, let us move to the next topic, that is subtraction of length in measurement. So let us see and understand with the help of example. Subtract 25.8 centimeter from 30 centimeter. Now let us see the solution. Firstly, we have to arrange all the numbers in the column and subtract 25.8 from the 30. After subtraction, we will get the difference 4.2 centimeter. Hence 30 centimeter minus 25.8 centimeter is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Now let us move to the next part, multiplication of length in measurement. Now dear students, let us understand this with the help of example. Multiply 18.07 by 12. Let us see the solution. Same as the previous, we have to arrange 18.07 meter and 12 in the column. Now firstly we will multiply by the ones, that is the 2. After multiplication we will get 3614, and after that we will multiply the tens place, that is 1. When we will multiply by the tens, we will get 18,070. When we will add both numbers, we will get 21,684. And finally, insert the decimal at the hundredths place. So the answer will be 216.84. Finally, we got the product 18.07 meter multiplied by 12 is equal to 216.84 meter. Now dear friends, let us move to the last part, that is the division of length in measurement. Let us see this with the help of example. Divide 18.64 meter by 8. Dear students, division of length in measurement will be solved same as we have done the division in the decimals. So simply we will divide 18.64 by 8, and after dividing we will get the quotient 2.33. That will be the our answer. Therefore 18.64 meter divided by 8 will be equal to 2.33 meter.
Dear students, I hope you nicely understood the concept of measurement of length. So now it's your turn. You have to do the maths practice from your book. Thank you.